Good afternoon, dear students. At the end of this activity, we are going to perform bird sound. Mm, This is a common sound that we are going to practice in this 10, 10 words. Uh, the objective is that you can recognize the sound. Mm, First, we are going to practice a little bit about this particular sound in English. At the end of this worksheet, you have a link that connect with an expert teacher of the English pronunciation. Let me see the end. Here is the the link, and you can practice better the sound. But we can begin with this introduction. As always, I recommend to you to visit the wordreference.com dictionary, or whatever dictionary you want. But it's very important to take care to be very attentive about the pronunciation of every word. Mm, Well, well, let's go beginning. The first word that we have is always. Remember here, always, 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 the sound, always, always meaning all the time, perpetually. And I have this example. I always living with you, meaning that I perpetually want to live with you. Cow. The next word is cow. Cow. Cow is to utter a cry. This means to or the sound that a bird make. Let me correct here a little bit, and I can correct this presentation. One example is the cow that the crows make, frightening the little girl. Mm, The next word is ow. Ow. This word is well used, and with this word we can express some duty or moral obligation. Uh, in this example, in this example, you ought to drive more careful, more careful. The next word is also, also, meaning in addition. In addition, I like to read adventure books, but I also like to read historical novels. The next word is awful, extremely bad. It was an awful accident last night in the roadway. The next The next word is raw, meaning uncooked. And the example that I have is I like to eat raw vegetables. The next word is fall, to drop or come down. The example is the apple fell from the tree. Naughty, naughty, disobedient, indecorous. The little boy has a naughty behavior when his mother take apart his toy. Broad, large, open, clear. She lives in a broad house in the countryside. Well, students, this is the worksheet that I invite you to make, to master the ow sound. Very common in English, and you can practice this word very well. I say goodbye to you. ¿Cómo que va?